In this video, I'm showing you step by step how to connect Tickmill to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Tickmill like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account. From here, you'll need to go down to your accounts and then find your login credentials towards Metatrader 5. From here, you'll need to download a Metatrader 5 on either your PC or a smartphone device. You can do that by going over to Metatrader 5's website right here, metatrader5.com, and then download it for Windows and follow the process. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to go up to File and then go down to Open an Account. From here, you'll need to go up to Add New Company up here and just search for Tickmill and then find your company, and then it will automatically link up here down in your list of companies. From here, you'll need to choose which Tickmill that you're going to use. So there's Tickmill Europe, Tickmill Limited, and Tickmill UK. So Tickmill Europe is for everybody who is in Europe, Tickmill is for US and Asian, and Tickmill UK is for the UK. So just choose which one is suitable for you and click next. And then from here, you'll need to go down to this third one where it says connect with an existing trade account, and then click in your login credentials and password credentials that you'll find under the accounts. From here, you'll also probably need to change the server from either live or demo, depending on what type of account you have opened inside of Tickmill. From here, you'll just need to click finish, and then from here, you'll have successfully connected Tickmill to Metatrader 5. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!